Here we are in Aldergrove. We got our installation team setting up. We are about to put 7 drapes into this enclosure, 2 up top here and 5 wrap around on a track. Let's head on inside. If we look over here, we've got Shane prepping 1 track as we speak. The drape will go on wheels and be able to easily opened or closed. The installation overall will take about 3, maybe 4 hours, something this size. We obviously want to take our time and get it right so the customer comes into a nice, complete, finished project with no issues at all.
Hi, my name is Frank. I'm the General Manager at Midland Industrial Covers. We're here on site in Aldergrove with a customer who's asked us to make vinyl curtains for his outdoor deck, outdoor patio area, which you can see in the background. So here we are on one of the curtains that we've just installed. As you can see, we have a track underneath the beam, and right in the middle we have a zipper, easy open and close, and you can just see how well that works. Not tall enough. And slides open very easy, left and right, and all the way back into the middle again. And then on the outside edges we put some angle iron which connects to the magnets. So you can see that's a really nice close, nice and easy. And we haven't done it yet, but we're about to put some holes in the angle iron just as an extra level of security for when it's really, really windy, that the grommets can also connect with some bungee balls. So this is a clear vinyl curtain, restaurant grade, the same type of material that you would see at your cactus club. It's a -30 cold crack, 20 gauge clear vinyl surrounded by an 18-ounce reinforced vinyl coated polyester frame. The benefit of these curtains is that we just installed this set, and already on the inside you can feel a difference in the temperature. And so once these curtains are set up, it really does make it a comfortable space to be in all throughout the fall and the winter season into spring. And then when it's summer again, you move them out of the way for 3 months and then you can use them again for the remaining 9.